What do you want? Listen, you talk to the cartel, run it past your club. In the interim, I'll arrange a sit-down with the Mayans, Lynn, and the Niners. If you decide it makes sense for Sam Crow, you take the meeting. Bring everybody up to speed. If you pass on the deal, we keep things as is. Fair enough?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll also kick back 2% of my profits on the 30 keys. To you. Gentleman's agreement. Just between us.
You make millions in real estate and other legit trade. Why you still risk this shit? Is it the rush?
I'm just a businessman, son. My most profitable and most reliable